Hey everyone, we have a vehicle today, another one. This is a very good example of a Toyota T100. This is a four-wheel drive flavor. It's a 1995 model year. So I'm just going to give you a quick walk around here of the exterior. This particular one has 152,000 miles on the odometer, and we've done an extensive amount of work to it, which I'll get into a little bit later. This is the SR5 package. So that means it comes with power windows, power locks, power steering, premium sound, a few other things, chrome trim mirrors, bumpers, all of that. This one has the 16-inch wheels, and we've upgraded the hubs to the AISIN Manual Locking hubs, which are really a lot more robust. The automatic variety, which it originally came with. I want to show you underneath here, give you an idea of what we've done. It's got Bilstein 4600s on the front, new steering stabilizer, brand new OEM parts as far as pitman arm, inner and outer tie rods, polyurethane bushes, sway bar and link sway bar bushes, all replaced. Under the hood we have a new timing belt, new water pump, all the seals associated with that, tensioners, fan clutch, all new belts, new spark plugs, new spark plug wires, and this is all Toyota OEM parts, no cutting corners. This has factory running boards. We've got it wrapped in BFG KO all-terrains. Looking inside, you will notice a gray interior. We have added some custom floor mats on top of the OEM ones, which are both original. We have this heavy-duty, high-traffic cut, nickel stamped cut flooring, which holds up really well. Taking a look at the door card, there's only some wear here where this normally would be very worn. All of the controls, buttons, plastic trim is in immaculate condition. The steering wheel, which is leather wrapped, has no marking, no stains, no marring of any sort. It is in very good condition. Your gauge cluster there, odometer reading 152901. Of course, this has factory heat, AC, tape deck with upgraded speakers behind the factory grills for a factory look, but a much better sound. Actually sounds wonderful. Take a look at the headliner. Get a little bit of brightness. There is nothing wrong with it at all. No rips, tears, stains of any sort. As well as the upholstery, which is in mint condition for a vehicle this age and this mileage. There are no rips anywhere. Looking in the back, same case, original floor mats, the bottom, and the rear bench seat, spacious bench seat. All right. So I'm going to hop in driver's seat. Close the door. Great, so these T100s were actually one of the last vestiges of Toyota, Japanese-made Toyota trucks sold in North America. So these were made 93 to 98. The final generation with the extra cab being 95 to 98. They were made by Hino Motor Corp, a subsidiary of Toyota, that makes all the heavy-duty Hino trucks that you may see on some streets near you. So this is made in the Hino factory. We have an actual shift lever here for your transfer case for your high 4, low 4, and high 2, also for neutral. Works wonderfully. In the glove box, we have stacks of paperwork from myself and previous owners. We have an owner's manual and a whole ownership pamphlet from Toyota. This has a brake controller properly installed here to be out of the way of your legs. So I'm going to open the hood and show you guys under there if I can. Also want to point out really quick, cup holder is here. And everything else is where it should be, in very good condition. Here's some Velcro, which was put here for a backup camera monitor that is now living in the glove box. Up front, I want to point out the AISIN Manual Locking hubs that have been upgraded. These are brand new AISIN parts installed. They work wonderfully. Twist, unlock to keep your front CV axle unlocked. Prevents more wear on your CV axles in the front. So here we have a 3.4 liter 5 VZFE engine. Timing belt completed at 152 on November 6, 2019. I oversaw this repair, and this was done with 100% OEM Toyota parts, as with everything else that's been put on this truck in recent years. So you can see new Toyota belts, new fan clutch, new Sumitomo spark plug wires, which are the OEM wire of choice. All the fluids have been done in this in November. That includes the rear diff, front diff, transfer case, transmission, coolant, all flushed and replaced with Toyota Long Life red coolant. This thing is dialed in and simply ready to roll. No questions asked. Personally, this truck was built out for myself, and plans have changed, so someone else can hopefully benefit from the fruits of my labor and love that I put into not only my own vehicles, but everything else that goes through our channel. I'm going to start it up for you now. I also want to point out that we have the original factory key, master key, and secondary keys that came with this truck new. Let's jump in again and I'll start it up for you so you can see everything in action. Alright, here we go. Alright, so shifting through, you will see that all the shift lights still work. Yes, even the drive light. gauges work. That is oil, temperature, battery, and fuel. Tach works. And this thing purrs like a kitten. There are no clicks, hisses, whirs, clanking, knocking sounds coming from this engine. It is smooth as butter. All of these things work wonderfully. AC and heat. All the fan speeds work. Sound works. Clock works. Map lights. 2. Here your 4-wheel drive engaging, airbag warning, instructions, transfer gear shifting, all that good stuff. Carpet, pretty much immaculate. Again, original carpet, floor mats underneath, and original carpeting under all of that. So this is now for sale, reluctantly, in Portland, Oregon. Please reach out with any questions. It's powered down. I'll give you guys a nice zoom out. Once more walk around. Oh yeah, I also want to mention one more thing that I forgot. This whole outer door seal weather strip was replaced because the one it had originally was a little bit frayed here from the ingress and egress of the driver. So we put on a new Toyota OEM one all around. As you can see, shiny new, the door seal's like new. Also that was replaced was this seal too, because it was a little soggy. So we got a fresh one on here also from Toyota. All these little details, hopefully they add up to something. Sold new at Cornhusker, Grand Island, Toyota. So there you have it, guys. 1995 Toyota T100, really time capsule condition. One of the best ones for sale in the country at the moment. Let me know what you think in the comments. But I'm happy to share this with you guys. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more.